Sending an email directly from your Insightly CRM is a convenient feature, especially for those running an online business, as it eliminates the need to jump between different software platforms to do this. You must have already connected your email account, such as Outlook or Gmail, to Insightly. There are several ways to send an email from Insightly. The first method involves clicking the plus icon at the top right of the home screen, which opens a drop-down menu where you can select Send Email. This will open a compose email form, similar to Gmail, where you can type and send your email. Another way to send an email is by clicking on the Emails tab, represented by an envelope icon, on the left side of the screen. From there, click on New Email at the top right, and the same compose email form will appear. You can also send an email by going to the Contacts tab on the top left, where you can browse through your list of contacts. Select the one you want to email, and click on Actions followed by Email this contact. This will also open the compose email form. In all cases, the process is relatively straightforward, allowing you to easily send emails from within your Insightly CRM. If you have a different method for sending emails from Insightly, consider sharing it with others.